Access to potable water and sanitation is Goal 6 of the Sustainable Development Goals, which seek to provide potable water and sanitation for all by the year 2030. But it appears the goal is far from reach as residents of Nyapeinya and its environs struggle for potable water on daily basis. The residents share water with cattle from the only source of water they depend on. They tell City News, although they contract all manner of waterborne diseases, they have no other choice.
I even doubt if people you recognize us, that you are even coming here. We thought even we are not part of Ghana. We thought we are not even part of Ghana. Because everything, that even, any government that comes, they don't even value us. You can see yourself. We share water with the animals up to now. Up to Kwame Nkrumah independence. Share water with animals. Is it fair? Are we not part of Kwame Nkrumah Ghana?
Chwepe me enganyunu. Waka na me to me chuo waka me na enyunu. Ena waka eni ho. Wa benyu nyu be wade wa nganonna. Wa no na ka hio mi ne pale wa libere banana gota. Ena ho ma batom. Ka no tomi. Banana gota ne take away ngem lo wa hinu chupangem ka wa nu poscript o menga wo fie wa ye a wo fie se de ko bio lo pe wa ka hino pe lo wa benyu wa hedo ka wa ya dokita wa bi me behe wa ka me ya dokita ka fla akomisi ka ya ke wa nyuhi ake kan na ne wa anu yo e wo hio han ka wa bi me ganzamzi anga heke ni oko me po mu opo Alazin, nanyu no dem. Se ko behe ko hu. Wanyu chu pwenga wahi. Wake huoni. Wake nai. Nyecha menye na fie menga panya. Nyeye. Wake lowe fe ko lowe ne wage nyoye.
Not too far from Nyapeinya is the Atrobinya community. Atrobinya is about 12 kilometers from Asuchare and it faces the same problem. The entire community gave the news team a rousing welcome. According to them, no key personality has ever visited them to understand their plight. The community, like Nyapeinya, has a number of challenges and key among them is access to potable water. This water body is what they depend on, but like Nyapeinya, it is heavily polluted by rice farms around, and they equally share it with cattle. The residents tell City News they suffer from bilharzia and other waterborne diseases by using the water, but they have no other choice.
The challenge there, they are very huge. We have a water problem. The water problem is very serious here. Now, as you can see, this very lake is what we depend on now, and you can see the water is polluted. When rain fell before, it washes a whole lot of things inside it, and we are now depending on.
So in fact we are facing problem here. This water over here has been contaminated, and then whenever we fetch, unless we boil it or we treat it before we can use it, and it's giving us a lot of problem, sickness and everything.
Although this community has been provided with a borehole, it is not reliable because it is powered by solar, and it comes with its own challenges. The residents say the solar is not as efficient as it ought to be and does not meet the demand of the village. They are therefore appealing to government to come to their aid.
By my technical know-how, excuse me, there is those who install it. I was expecting that this is the chapel which sponsored the whole thing. They could connect electricity to it. So if there is no sunshine, they could put on the high grade so that it can generate the water.
Please, we are begging the government, let it come to our way and come and help us. We need pipe-borne water.
My concern is I want them to give us pipe because we need the water serious, because what is happening is not good. We need a lot of water in this place. There is no water in the town. The pipe that we are having is not enough for us to use, so we need water.